He cannot talk about public debt. I saw him talking about public debt today. He is incompetent to talk about public debt. He lacks the elementary understanding of economic management. When he was the deputy president, he considered that he lacked the understanding of economics in public. You remember? He said, "Mimi sijui mambo ya economics." That is why he never ever participated in any single meeting on economic recovery. He was in shock that we had taken over a government as a broad-based, where inflation was high, the exchange rate was high, and the country was almost defaulting on its debt with empty public coffers. Kenya's economy is now growing at 5%, higher than the global average of 3.3% of Africa, which is 3.8%. The IMF now ranks Kenya as the 6th largest economy in Africa. Of course, this is beyond Rigathi's comprehension. That's the truth. Rigathi claims that government-to-government agreement on fuel supply is fraud. Further reveals how clueless he is on matters global affairs. Kenya is the only country in the region that has managed a steady supply of fuel, thanks to G2G, which is now being adopted by neighboring countries.